Hi, my name is Sheena Kalagara. I attended medical school at the Icahn School of Medicine in Mount Sinai, and I attended undergraduate university at Brown, in which I got a bachelor's in arts. During my time both in medical school and in undergrad, I think a huge thing that I've been interested in is teaching and education and mentorship, through which I've had several opportunities to do it, whether it's coaching younger medical students, working with people in the clinical setting and helping hone their skills, or performing interview preparations for fellow classmates and friends. And I'm very excited to be working with you all. So the majority of my leadership roles in undergraduate kind of stemmed from my role as an EMT for both our ambulance service and for local townships ambulance service, through which I was selected as both shift supervisor and awarded EMT of the year. More recently in medical school, the majority of my leadership roles have been pertaining to our student-run free clinic, during which I have served as the research chair overseeing all quality improvement projects at our clinic, and also as teaching senior, in which I manage several clinic days throughout the year. I think the biggest thing to success is that you will be learning a lot of information and it is going to be difficult, but you had a passion for medicine and helping people. So I really feel that kind of using that passion for the grit and perseverance that you'll use in medical school is really essential to be able to kind of get through this difficult process and eventually attain your goal of becoming a future physician. I think the most interesting and unique perspective I bring to medical school consulting is that I look at applicants not only based on individual activities, but rather when I begin working with them, I sit them down and we decide what is the theme of your application going to be, and how does every single activity and every single experience you've had kind of support this overall theme that kind of constructs a story. Now, this story is supported by your personal statement, the activities you've done, the awards you've won, and it'll also bolster what you discuss in your interview. And through this, I have had several applicants have success in their application process. I think one of my greatest strengths is being able to take a bird's eye view of an applicant and also be able to kind of view them from the position of an administrator and how someone on the AACOMAS would view them. I also think one of my greatest strengths is the strength of perseverance. I really believe that me and the students that I work with are truly a team, and their success is my success. So I will be perseverant in helping you all with your medical school application process. I am passionate because I see the passion in the students that are applying to medical school. They have grit, they have perseverance, and they truly do want to enter this career in order to help people. And I remember being in that same position, and I feel that having a counselor, having someone to kind of mentor you through the process is extremely valuable, and I hope to serve as this kind of guiding force for these other students through a potentially daunting process. And I'm very excited to work with you all.